I'm not sure again what to do with it. I just why I was so careful. It will take days. My whole hair. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Karen, of course. So hope you all are going good. Happy new month. It is May 1st, and happy Labor Day to all the laborers. Okay, y'all are working so hard for the country, and big up. Yeah. So today we are going to be treating our hair, my mom's and mine's. Yeah, y'all don't want to see how this look but y'all still gonna see it anyway. So we have a couple of things. I'm going to show you all the stuff we have. So this is a quick video, and I've not been posting for a while. Why? Because my phone is giving me problem right now. I am not using my phone, I'm using my mom's phone. This is what we're going to be using for a while now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Okay, see you guys in the kitchen. So to start, I washed the bananas, peeled it, and then put it in the blender to run it separately for it to be like smooth before putting in the aloes. I had a good bit of aloes, so I did put some to blend and then put up the rest to use it for a later treatment day. I put the aloes in the blender together with the banana and run the blender while also checking to see how smooth it is. You want to make sure it's really smooth, y'all. The first ever time I did a banana treatment on my hair, I never knew how the thing goes, yo. I did not blend it. I literally just mashed it. Yeah, that's what I did. I just mashed it, and it did not end up well because my whole hair was just banana, and that looks so dirty. And when it's dry, it starts falling off like flakes, and it was not good. It was very nasty. So I've said from that day we are not doing that again. Okay, so yeah, we are blending banana. Yep. So we're going to start by cracking the egg in a bowl and adding some oil to it. Whisk it away before adding the banana and aloe vera in the mixture. So after that, I mixed it properly, turned some in a bowl that you all are going to see soon for my mom's own hair, and the rest that was remaining in that big bowl was for me. We're back. This is my mommy. She said not to show her face. She's not feeling so well, so I'm going to start by losing out her hair. I loosed out her twist, detangled the hair, and also sectioned, prepping for when the treatment goes in. I don't know why I never did it to my hair because mine was just so tough than hers. Okay, so I finished applying the treatment to her hair, and I was twisting it while doing so. After that, I undid all the twists, and I am just trying to massage the treatment into her hair there. Her hair took all the treatment, which I like, and it was really saturated with it. It also kind of brought out all her curls, which I really loved. So yeah, don't mind me talking in the video. I just decided to mute it because, and I was smelling it too. I was smelling it to make sure it did not have no funny smell, because my mom shouldn't be having the worst smells ever. Take it from me. Y'all seen these curls I'm seeing? Because I love it. I really love it. After that, I went straight into bagging her hair with a plastic bag. I never had shower caps home. The last time we got finished, I never bought anyone again because I was literally braiding my hair and not treating it. So that's why I never had any with me home. But yeah, ignore my voice. So I tried back, tied it to the back, and then kind of pinned it under her hair. After that, she did my hair while I put 1 hour on the clock for her. So it's my time to sit on the hot seat, and let me show you how terrible my hair is. Wait for it. Yeah, I dyed my hair, y'all. I did a video on that, but it did not come out properly, so I could not post it, sadly. But yeah, let's get into it. See, unlike my mom's on that was twisted, mine is not. But this is how we're going to do it, and it is not the tangled either. So it's a rough one. I'm about to cry right here. Hello. Who sent me? Yo, this hair is so dry and crusty. So my mom started applying the treatment to my hair, and while doing so, she tied it in like bantu knots for her to come back and massage it in my scalp. It is remaining 2. Yay! Yo, this is so, I don't know. My hair is so tough. And according to my mother, my hair is big.
Bombastic side eye.
Axel gave that to me.
Criminal
my mom told me my hair
side
is
eye.
big. So when I be telling people they cannot understand my hair, they feel I'm joking. But literally my own was like almost the same quantity. I think it's the same quantity as hers. And watch, mine is finished. I've not finished putting in all the hair. That's the last one. Yay. And watch. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, my hair is detangled. Big up the treatment one time. Why? Why are you doing? They said that there was no hair for my mouth. Oh. Yeah, my mom is showing you that there's no hair coming out because she had me worried there for a second. No hair loss, period. That's what we do over here. No hair breakage. Keep your hair clean and healthy.
An hour later for my mom.
It's time to wash the hair. So you want to take it out of the bag, obviously. Then kind of let air to like pass through the hair. Since it's been in like heat for an hour, you don't just want to dive into using cold water. And yes, we are using cold water to wash the hair. Why? Because we don't cook any egg in our hair. If you use hot water, you're going to be boiling eggs in your hair, and you cannot eat that. So what's the use? Anyway, I'm just running my fingers through the hair for like when I start throwing water on it, it does not really like tangle up in the process. You'll see. And here we're just rinsing off the treatment. You want to make sure you're thorough with this. You have to rinse every little bit of treatment in the hair, literally everything. You have to rinse it until you see that the water running from the hair is as clear as the water you're throwing on the hair. If that makes sense. But yeah, that's what you do there. Then after that, now we're going to shampoo the hair. The shampoo I'm using, it lathers a lot. Trust me, you just need like a small amount on your hand to like rub throughout the hair. So I just literally put a small amount and just watch as it lathers. And apparently my mom's hair was not dirty. I mean dirty, mean dirty. But yeah, her hair was not dirty. After putting all that shampoo, it was still white as it came out of the bottle with just a lot of lather. And that is a good thing, meaning she never, I think she even rinsed the hair, so probably that's why it was clean. Yes, it have to be. It have to be. And we are down to the last and the favorite part of my wash, the conditioning the hair. I like it because after putting the conditioner, you can easily get to comb through the hair with ease and no tangles along the way. That way, I normally don't wash all the conditioner off my hair. I just leave in some so it remains soft and whatever. So I rinse that through, but not removing all the conditioner. You know, it's better that way because the moment the conditioner is all off the hair and air passes through the hair, this hair becomes tough, and regardless of the fact that it's going to sit down. Anyway, I finished washing hers and we tied that, then did like some plaits on her hair. I don't have a blow dryer. I'm to purchase that hopefully sometime soon. But yeah, I'm just going to hand dry it. You see what I was telling you all about this thing here? And I don't know, twist it until further notice. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about concerning the hair. You see? I'm not sure if it's the aloe vera or it's the banana. I really hate this seal. It is catastrophic. Okay, so I'm going to put this oil on her scalp, the shea butter oil, and the detangler, and also some hair oil. I started applying the shea butter oil to her scalp by sections, then applied the Blue Magic hair oil to her whole head, then started doing single cane rolls to the back, the whole head. I started doing single cane rolls for the whole hair, and I could not even finish it. My bad. I'd never show you what it was like, but it was horrible. It was just for a minute, but yeah.
Another hour later.
And we are back again to my own wash time. As usual, the same old process. You rinse out the treatment, you shampoo your hair and condition it. I waited for like a little bit of like 5 minutes while I was combing the hair through, and even while rinsing off the conditioner, I still comb the hair through in case of any entanglement that I missed. But yeah, that's what happened. And just like that, you finish treating your hair. Boom. Onto what to do with my hair that I never even knew what to do until last minute. So guys, I have finished washing my hair and it's in towel right now. I'm not sure again what to do with it. I just feel, you see, I just feel like I'm going to like plait it in cornrows, and I don't want to plait it wet either, but at the same time, if it gets dry, that's a problem for me. You understand? Why? just why? I was so careful. I blended it so good. I don't know if it's the aloe vera or it's the banana. It will take days for this to come off. Shrinkage at its best level. What's the length of this hair? Watch. So I'm going to just oil it and kind of leave it to air dry for a minute before plaiting the cornrows, and I'll be back when I've done plaiting the cornrows. Probably 4 or 6, because I don't have time to waste. I want to rest today. Yeah. Watch, yeah. So guys, I have finished braiding the hair. It took a while. I braided it in like, I think this is it. Ignore the line. I look very wretched right now, but yeah, we're going to take it as that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications, because I'm going to try to post as much as I can while I can until I get a proper phone. And yeah, bye. Love you guys.